So short video, not about this, it's about this bag, because when we do it this way, it's not the way I want. I want the spec not to be too horizontal. I want it to be more round shape. So what we're gonna do is open up this. Why it is became horizontal? If you can see this, it's already broken there, a little bit broken, and this one is okay. This one is okay, but this one is broken. So we're going to open that, and using gum, let's try it. So I already opened it. So you see this broken part and this one. So we will gum this part by using the 3-second gum. And the reason we open this screw is to allow us to bend the metal over here. If we bend without opening that, this part will be broken. So we must open. We'll see with that screw over here. So I open up the screw. First thing first, we must make sure that the screw is the same size. So if it doesn't same size, you must recognize it in the early stage, and now it is the same size, so there's no problem with it. So after we remove it, we remove this one, and we will remove another one to this part. We will remove it, and then we bend it. See you there. Alright, ngam. So we have opened up this one, okay, the right part, this one the left part, and this one the center part. So after this, we will bend so that it will not be look horizontal like this. It will be more bent, and only one part we bend, which is in the middle. The rest you must let it stay physical, so that it will not interrupt the whole spec. Okay, so to bend it, use anything round, pencil, okay, but I use my screwdriver over here. So put it in the center of it and put a little bit pressure both sides of this spec. Okay, we'll see you there. Alright, we bend this part. So okay, this broken part we will repair it by put some 3-second glue on it, and we'll see after the glue is settled. Okay, in my case, the broken part have leave a base there. If you can see the base right there, so we just stick this one over here, then we will gum it. Okay, lastly, we have settled the assemble all of the parts of these spectacles, and I just cleaning the mirror by using any cleaning material. So if you want to ask what's which brand, yeah, it's a rollerblade. If we zoom it right now, you see it, RB rollerblade. So this is rollerblade.
Memang selalu juga kita terasa lalai, tapi kena ingat bila benda alami jadi, kau harus kuat daripada tebal besi. Kerana kau dan yang sebenar datangnya daripada hati. Ada sesuatu yang perlu kalian tahu, orang yang berguna adalah orang yang banyak ilmu. So study hard and pergilah masuk you.
So that's all for the video. I hope you enjoy this video, and you can use this video to fix some spectacles or some glasses of yours if the glasses happen to be broken. So just repair yourself by using DIY. And why I'm not buying new one? Because I want my stuff to fight with me until the end of their breath. So upon that, my name is Muhammad Rafiq bin Razan, and before that, we want to tell you that our masterpiece is finished, and right until now, only one video that is epic from us, which is the Flawless Marathon episode 5. Be sure to check out those videos. Be sure to check out that video, link in the description and in the end of this video. And upon that, my name is Muhammad Rafiq bin Razan, right now in Kuala Lumpur, Negeri, and we'll see you in the next video. And have a nice day, and peace out.
Jangan sesekali kau lupakan, selalu rehat, jangan biar diri terbeban. Doakan selalu insan yang jaga terlaksana. Ku bersyukur padamu.